This video is made for educational purpose only, with significant text commentary.
Dolorcito de cabeza, pero yo creo que... Y dolorcito de cabeza, pero yo creo que... Y se acaban de chocar.
Current loop video is now locked.
Yeah, someone hit the car from back.
Turn left onto Virginia 620 East Braddock Road.
Monet, you okay, man? Oh my.
Alan.
What in the world?
I shouldn't say normally, but clear the puck with control. They ice the puck again, so it gives Dallas another chance.
Whoa, that guy just crashed. That guy crashed behind us.
Rope hits.
Yep.
Really doesn't win it clean.
Going
backwards,
yeah, he's backwards.
Tries to move it backward, but instead it sort of just hits his skate and legs.
That guy just fucking crashed.
Oh, Jesus Christ. Oh my God. Jesus. Oh.
Oh, mama. What did he do?
Take a photo.
Oh, God.
Camera.
Oh, no. Better go follow him. Take a photo.
It's alright, I've got my dash cam.
Oh, you have a cam? Oh, mama. What did he do?
Take a photo.
Oh, God.
Camera.
Oh, no. Better go follow him. Take a photo.
It's alright, I've got my dash cam.
Oh, you have a cam? Oh, God. What did he do?
Oh my God.
arrested someone this morning.
No, it is a listener who likes me. The part of the family part. I understand that. I knew
Fucking idiot.
it, but I stuck with it. However, I would not take years off my life for my dog. I just wouldn't. I'm
life vest, 3 board-like things.
Okay, well,
Ah!
go here.
I just got rear-ended hard.
Okay, I'm coming. Where are you? Where are you?
Don't worry about it.
I'm coming to you. Where are you?
Honey, don't worry about it. I am. I just...
Don't look through that, So I've never gotten a ticket before. When you have Okay.
Oh my God.
This is our green light, right?
Did you know?
Baby,
You okay?
it hurts. I can't breathe. I don't have my inhaler. Baby, it's okay.
You okay? Nancy, you okay?